Go ahead and hit it.
Just get the trophy.
Already got our Pontiac.
Damn tranny.
Still sounds good.
Donut puncher. Camaro.
Where are these cars at my dragway, man? That's my
Loud exhaust. Chelsea.
And Chelsea Amanda, go for it.
It's crying from the front.
That's super
Cars in there, whistling a little bit.
That wine though.
All right, what does everyone think? Silver SS, yeah.
He wants to race.
I think if I do a meet in 2 weeks or a couple weeks when Matt allows it, I might get extra trophies just for the top 3 next time. Because I think everyone did a pretty good job and didn't run anybody over, so I'm pretty impressed.